Hello student, good morning everyone. Today I am going to discuss on a new topic, that is study of acid, base and salt. In this video for class 10th, in this video first of all I am going to explain you what is acid. Actually, according to definition, the chemical compound which on dissolving in water produce hydrogen ion or hydronium ion as the only positively charged particle. All acid essentially contain hydrogen. Actually, a substance which donate hydrogen ion only positive charge ion in their aqueous solution, it can furnish only positive charge ion, है ना? That is known as acid. Now, what is hydronium ion? Hydronium ion is a hydrated hydrogen ion. What is the meaning of hydrated hydrogen ion? That I explain below. When hydrogen ion combine with water, molecule it form hydrated hydrogen ion called hydronium ion. The formation of hydronium ion take place by the coordinate bond formation. Coordinate bond that I explained in chemical bonding chapter very clearly. Already explained it. In water molecule, oxygen atom has two lone pair of electron. Oxygen atom share one of its lone pair electron to hydrogen to complete its duplet. Thereby, the formation of hydronium ion take place. For example, we see the diagram of H2O. Here oxygen in their outermost shell 6 electron present and two different hydrogen fulfill 2 electron by the covalent bond existed between hydrogen and oxygen, but two lone pair presented in the case of water on oxygen, central atom of oxygen. Now lone pair of electron that is seen here. But when hydrogen loses one electron, it converted into protonium ion, that is hydrogen ion. It is very unstable in nature. This hydrogen ion is unstable. Now, when hydrogen ion comes in contact with water, we see here H2O plus H plus, that is H3O plus, and we write it in this way. Its diagram is this way. You practice it. Maybe this diagram will ask in your exam. Hydronium ion, and it write in parenthesis form in this way. For coordinate bond formation, single arrow is shown here, and this positive charge shown on the bracket. Now, next point is acid can be classified on the basis of how do you classify the acid? First, strength of an acid, basicity of an acid, concentration of acid. First of all, I am going to explain you what is a strong acid. Strength of acid. Under strength of an acid, two acid comes, a strong acid and weak acid. Generally, we know that all the organic acid are weak acid. The acid which doesn't give that much hydrogen ion in aqueous solution. For example, acetic acid. In acetic acid, we see here in this example, acetic acid contains 4 hydrogen, 3 hydrogen here and 1 hydrogen here. But after come in contact with water, it produces only 1 hydrogen ion. It furnishes only 1 hydrogen ion. So we say that it is an organic compound. Acetic acid is the organic compound, and we already tell you that all organic compounds are weak acid. Now, how do you judge that if this compound contains 4 hydrogen, then how many hydrogen is furnished by this compound? For this concept, I am giving you a conceptual point. After watching the diagram of this compound, we clear this point. Which hydrogen is displaceable, replaceable, furnishable, which is not. Those hydrogen which attach with oxygen, only that hydrogen is replaceable. We see the structure of acetic acid, only one hydrogen is attached with oxygen, so only one hydrogen is furnished in this compound. So it is a, we call it monobasic acid. Now this compound is a weak acid. Now what is the definition of weak acid and a strong acid? First of all, I am explaining about a strong acid. Those which almost completely ionized. What is the meaning of ionized? That means after it comes in contact with water, it doesn't contain molecule. It furnishes only ion. It is separated in ions. For example, those which almost completely ionized in their aqueous solution, the solution of a strong acid contain mostly ions. This question may ask in your exam. A strong acid contain molecules, ions, both molecules and ions, then your answer will be, must be only ions. A strong acid contain only ions. This question asked by ICSE board also. Hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, such type of acid comes under a strong acid because it produces more hydrogen ion in the presence of in aqueous solution. Now next point is weak acid, that is known as mineral acid. Weak acid are those which partially or incompletely ionized in their aqueous solution. The solution of weak acid contain ions as well as molecule, that is acetic acid, sulfurous acid, carbonic acid. It is comes under the weak acid because acetic acid contain 4 hydrogen but it furnishes only 1 hydrogen, that I explained already in this example. Now what is the basicity of an acid? What is the basicity of an acid? For basicity of an acid, according to definition, basicity of an acid is defined as the number of replaceable hydrogen ion present per molecule of an acid in its aqueous solution. For clearing your concept, I am giving you an acid. The name of the salt formed by some monobasic acid are given below. Monobasic acid, nitric acid, salt, nitrate, nitrous acid, nitrite, hydrochloric acid, chloride. It is all are monobasic acid. And which type of salt is formed? That is acetate, bromide, fluoride, acetic acid, acetate, hydrobromic acid, bromide, hydrofluoric acid, fluoride. Now dibasic acid. What's the definition of dibasic acid? Those which contain 2 replaceable hydrogen ion per molecule of an acid in aqueous solution, that is known as dibasic acid. For example, sulfuric acid, sulfurous acid, carbonic acid. Carbonic acid is a weak acid. In exam may ask, write the name of weak acid, that is carbonic acid. Now ionization of sulfuric acid, that is given here. H2SO4 when ionized, it furnishes 1 hydrogen ion and a sulfate ion. By sulfate when decomposed, it forms hydrogen ion, sulfate ion. Here this cancel, 2 hydrogen ion and sulfate ion. In this way we can see the example of different compound that's shown in this picture. If you have problem, if you want to understand any point, then you pause your video and you see the image clearly. After your concept will be crystal clear. If you have any doubt at any point, you want to see the image, then you pause your video and after pausing you understand that point, then you go forward. The ionization dissociation of sulfurous acid. H2SO3 is known as sulfurous acid, that is shown here, given that I am seeing here. H plus bisulfate HSO3 minus, again HSO3 minus and decompose H plus sulfate ion. Total number of hydrogen ion is 2H plus, that is 2, so it is known as dibasic acid. Now the name of the salt formed by some dibasic acid are given below. Sulfuric acid, salt bisulfate and sulfate, sulfurous acid, bisulfite and sulfite, carbonic acid, bicarbonate and carbonate, hydrogen sulfide, bisulfite and sulfide. Tribasic acid. Now tribasic acid, the acid which ionize on dissolving water to produce 3 replaceable hydrogen. In monobasic acid, 1 replaceable hydrogen. Dibasic acid, compound contain 2 replaceable hydrogen. In tribasic acid, the acid which ionize on dissolving in water produce 3 replaceable hydrogen ions per molecule of an acid are called tribasic acid. For example, phosphoric acid H3PO4. Now ionization of phosphoric acid is, a step of ionization of phosphoric acid is explained here. H3PO4 H plus H2PO4 minus, again H2PO4 minus decomposite H plus, again HPO4 2 minus decomposite H plus. Now total number of replaceable hydrogen is 3 and PO4 minus, it is cancel out. In this way we can find total number of replaceable hydrogen ion. That step is given here. Now concentration of an acid is the, what is the concentration of an acid? Next point, concentration of acid is the measure of the amount of water present in the acid. Concentration. Now next point, concentrated acid contain negligible quantities of water. Concentrated means solid particle is more than solvent particle. Now dilute acid contain, what is dilute acid? Dilute acid contain more quantity of water and less quantity of acid. A strong acid will remain strong even if the solution is diluted, and weak acid will remain weak even if the solution is concentrated. Now method of preparation of acid, that we'll discuss in next video. Thank you.